Welcome to another Lawn Fawn video. Today we are introducing our new dies Snowfall backdrop in both portrait and landscape, so let's go ahead and check it out. These dies create this beautiful snowfall look, so you can die cut it from cardstock just like this, and then you can go ahead and layer some white cardstock or any color behind it to get the look of falling snow, which is just so beautiful. And here you can see two little critters there in the falling snow and just how cute it is for building scenes. Now something else really cool that you can do with this die is actually use it upside down to kind of get the look of stars in the sky. So I've flipped it over and you can see there now it kind of looks like stars, and in this card by Megan you can see how beautiful that looks behind the mountain. So I love that you could use it for stars, or you could also use it for the snowfall look. So up now we have some beautiful cards by the design team using these dies, and here you can see this gorgeous scene by Elena. I just love it with the little critters looking up at the snow and up at Santa. I love how Audrey layered the birch trees and then die cut snowflakes over the snowfall backdrop. It's so beautiful, cut out of purple too. This card by Nicole is so gorgeous. I love the little snowy backdrop there with her hills and all of those trees. It's just beautiful. And then here, Kay's card is just adorable. It really helps set her scene, and I love it cut from that peacock cardstock. This card by Yanea is so beautiful, and I love the falling snow with the moon in front of it. And then here, Elise dry embossed it into some vellum and created a beautiful snowy look. Here you can see the backdrop cut out of a square-shaped card, so I just laid the square on there and got a smaller looking snowfall backdrop, which is really cool. And then here Shari used it with the look of confetti for her birthday, which is so beautiful. And then I love the white with the glitter behind it that Kristen created. It's just a gorgeous look. So I cannot wait to see what you guys do with snowfall backdrops, so make sure to share it with us. Thank you so much for watching today, and have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!